Rice feeds more than half of the world's population. But before it reaches your plate, every grain begins an incredible journey through nature, engineering, and modern food processing. Every successful rice harvest begins with carefully selected seeds. Modern laboratories inspect, test, and grade each seed to ensure strong growth and high crop yields. With water, warmth, and nutrients, each seed begins to germinate. Within days, healthlings develop strong roots and leaves, preparing for transplantation into flooded rice fields.
Modern rice transplanters plant thousands of seedlings every hour, ensuring perfect spacing for healthier growth, better sunlight, and higher yields.
Over the next several months, the plants absorb sunlight, water, and nutrients, producing grain-filled panicles that gradually... A modern combine harvester cuts the crop, separates the grain, removes straw and chaff, and stores clean rice, all in one continuous operation. Freshly harvested paddy is quickly transported to modern rice mills, where careful handling preserves grain quality before processing begins.
Before milling begins, every batch is inspected for moisture, purity, and quality. Only approved paddy is transferred into massive storage silos for processing.
Before milling, the paddy passes through several cleaning machines. These remove dust, straw, and stones. Even tiny metal particles.
Freshly harvested paddy contains excess moisture. Controlled drying reduces it to the ideal level, preventing grain damage and ensuring efficient milling.
The first milling stage removes the hard, protective husk. What remains is brown rice, still covered by its nutritious bran layer. Not every grain loses its husk the first time. Precision separators automatically return unpaddy for reprocessing, while sending clean brown rice to the next stage. Whitening removes the nutritious bran layer, while polishing smooths the surface, producing the clean white rice commonly found in kitchens around the world. High-speed optical sorters inspect every single grain, using advanced cameras and artificial intelligence, removing defective rice in just milliseconds. Before packaging, every batch is carefully tested for moisture, grain size, purity, and overall quality to ensure it meets strict food standards. As a final safety check, industrial metal detectors scan every batch of rice. Even the smallest metal particle is detected and automatically removed before packaging. Advanced packaging machines accurately weigh, fill, seal, inspect, and stack every bag automatically, ensuring consistent quality and efficient production. From carefully selected seeds to advanced food processing and global distribution, every grain of rice completes an extraordinary journey before finally reaching your table.